not quite as humid almost. See, the rain through tomorrow night really takes shape for Scotland and Northern Ireland, potentially 30 millimetres here, but it will tend to fizzle out as it comes south, 10 or 15 for parts of Wales and the north of England. But with that sunshine in the south, again, I just need to remind you there will be high levels of UV. So some rain on offer, which is just what we need at the moment, but some sunshine as well, strong sunshine at that. Just not enough rain where we need it down here in the south and the east as well, Fiona.
That's for sure, Helen. Thanks very much.
Different day tomorrow for many other parts of the UK. Freshening winds overnight tonight, telling us that something's brewing out in the Atlantic, and those freshening winds will start to bring some heavy rain in across Northern Ireland and eventually western Scotland as the night goes on. Elsewhere, it should be a dry night, clear skies across much of England. Temperatures dipping away to between 10 and 15 degrees. A relatively fresh night, I think, for most of us. But the reason for all that wind and rain coming in, this area of low pressure really has no place in early July, and it's the squeeze in the isobars around the southern flank of that low that's causing some concern, I think, in the forecast for later across northern areas. But certainly a windy day anyway, I think, across many parts of the UK. That heavy rain being pushed through by the strong winds from Northern Ireland and Scotland, easing down across Wales into the Midlands and the southwest as the day wears on, but never reaching that southeast corner where the sunshine will push temperatures up to 25 degrees. Generally, though, most places struggling even to get above 20. And then it's later tomorrow afternoon and into the evening that we're a bit worried about the strength of the winds across maybe northern parts of Northern Ireland, but particularly central and southern Scotland. Yes, gusts of 60 to 70 miles an hour potentially. That could bring down some trees, cause disruption. Certainly very dangerous weather if you're out in a small boat or thinking of climbing a mountain. Keep updated on the warnings online or on the news channel overnight.
Before we get to the weather for the week ahead, we're going to take a break. So from January until June, I'm sure you'll be really rather unsurprised to hear it's been very dry. In fact, the driest start